weather is gradually getting colder. It's time to start making sausages.
Wait a few more days.
By the way, use less gas. In winter, using a clay stove is also warm.
It's the end of the year. You bought a lot of things. Buy some New Year's clothes for you and your daughter. It's hard to buy them at the end of the year. You can also get race cakes and steamed buns.
Okay.
Old Lee, let's play chess this afternoon.
Sure, it's been a long time since we played.
Xiaojuan, why aren't you wearing clothes? It's cold. Don't catch a cold.
Hurry and get back in bed. Stay warm for a while longer.
I'll go to Grandpa Chen's house later. They have no electricity, so I'll check it out. You all go ahead and eat lunch first. Don't wait for me.
Walk slowly. The road outside is slippery.
Xiaohu, after lunch, go with Dad to the bathhouse. Let's go early to avoid the afternoon crowd. Let Mom pack your clothes, and we'll go after eating. Xiaofang, what are you doing?
Little Tiger's woolen pants are a bit short, so I found 2 pieces to extend them.
Wang Kai, not awake yet.
Xiao Kai, it's tough for you to make a trip in this rainy weather. Is it cold outside?
No problem, no problem. I'm here to see what's going on. Is there a ladder?
Yes, I will go get it for you.
Ali, the neighbor Xiao Kuai is calling me to play cards for a couple of rounds.
Make sure to come back early. It's raining outside, and it will definitely get colder at night. We'll wait for you to have dinner.
Buy me 2 tickets and get a back scrub.
Okay, a total of 4 you in.
Mom, it's raining outside. Let's wait for the rain to stop before going to take a bath. I also want to buy a tea egg to eat.
Jill, bye if you have to take a shower.
I'll take an apple.
There's no one here right now. You wait a moment. I'll go prepare the soup, and you can come in when it's hot.